Warning! I recorded this with a potato, so yeah, keep that in mind. What's brewing, everybody? My name is Sudaki, and I would like to welcome you to a magical event. Here I got an Eldritch Moon display, and let's say we crack it open. Wow, this box looks so amazing. I pretty much just bought it for the artwork of Liliana. Alright, not really, but it does look cool, you gotta admit that. So, let's start it. I already opened a fat pack, but I didn't really get so much awesomeness from there. So I hope this display will give me something different. Well, let's say nobody cares about the commons, right? So I will just skip into the uncommons real fast here. There's Deranged Well, Hamlet Captain, Lunar Force, and the rare is Crypt Breaker. Meh, I don't play zombies. One of my friends do. But the zombies are quite alright in this set. I mean, we got Liliana here, don't we? Let's say you build a zombie deck. What will it have? Peace of Mind, Hunted Dad, Crop Sigil, and the rare is Spell Quiller. Quiller, something like that. Nothing very interesting so far. Let's hope this will change. So this is my first video, by the way, so please don't be too hard on me. So, Savage Alliance, Courageous Outrider, Clear Shot, and Harmless Offering. What's up with this artwork? I mean, it's so freaking cute. But I guess I will still never play it. Who knows? Maybe one day. Oh, come on, Mythics, Planeswalkers, show me some love. Okay, we have Shrill Howler. Oh, we have a double rare pack right here. Liliana's Elite. Freaking zombies everywhere. Fate Unbroken. And wow, the Ranged Wealth again. Who cares about that, right? And we have Bedlam Revealer. The fuck is this? Meh, who cares? Mythics, Planeswalkers, where are you? Okay, so here we've got Shrill Howler again. with Graph Harvest. This card is pretty crazy, I would say. I mean, you give menace to every zombie you control for 1. That's pretty game changer right here. Clear Shot. Champagne of Vengeance. I like every artwork that has Sorin in it. Oh, here's a good card. Deploy of the Gatewatch. It's pretty good. I mean, if you want to play a Planeswalkers deck, this pretty much can win the game for you. And we have a foil Island, not bad. I mean, nothing crazy, but I pretty like lands. I pretty much love them, so okay, let's put this here. It was a better pack. I would really enjoy seeing a movie or something about Gideon and Lillian fighting on the same side. I mean, that could be just hilarious. Gideon being heroic as usual. Liliana just doesn't give a shit. So we have Tangleclaw Werewolf, Docent of Perfection, which is another extra rare, by the way, in the pack. Subjugator Angel. The effect is pretty good, but for 6, I mean, come on. Here's Hunted Dead. Advanced Switching. And we have a freaking Tomio Field Researcher. Can you believe this beautiful card right here? The beautifulness is real. I mean, just look at her. +1 shows up to 2 target creatures until your next turn. Whenever either of those creatures deal combat damage, you draw a card. And it doesn't have to be your creature. I just point that out. Tap up 2 target non-land permanents. They don't tap. They don't untap during their controller's next untap step, which is freaking cool. And draw 3 cards. You get an emblem with. You may cast non-land cards from your hand without paying their mana cost. I mean, talking about crazy right here, right? Holy crap! I love this card. I mean, just look at it. It's beautiful, it's good. What's nothing? What's not to love in this card? Love it, love it, love it. Okay, let's move forward. That's what I would have liked to see. I mean, pretty much whatever we open after this, I'm already quite happy. Tamio is an awesome card. I wanted to have that. Okay, so we got here Curious Homunculus. Wow, Full Metal Alchemist memories everywhere. Dusk Feaster, Lunar Force, Abandon Reason, and Nosegraph Mob, which is a freaking zombie again. Zombies everywhere. And we have a foil, Dollar Thunder. Okay. Not bad. Not extremely good. So next here is Liliana. I mean, it's her pack. It would be awesome if I just open a Liliana from here after declaring that, hey, it's Liliana. Okay, what's up with this artwork? Angel feathers? Oh, fucking hate it. So, write down Savage Alliance, Rock Skull, Shield Mate. Okay, mate, whatever you say. And we have another mythic here. Ishach Kranab, Gruff Widow. Well, I never was a big green player, but if it's your thing, go ahead, play it. I would say it's pretty much a good card. Okay. Wow, we have a lot of packs left. Oh my god, I'm destroying the stuff right here. Pretty funny. And Dracul is imprisoned. Well, thank god. He spoiled that shit. Okay. Another curious homunculi. Geist fueled scarecrow. That sounds pretty good. Pretty cool. Fool. Emissary. Blood mist. Well, not a blood moon, but sounds cool. Cigar does aid. That's a pretty much a good card. And we have a foil Humpty Dad. Okay. It was okay. Now. I'm pretty much calm and happy already. I mean, Daniel, she's beautiful, she's cool, she's doing good stuff. I mean, that's what the value of a good card is about right here. So we have Subjugator Angel, Nephalia Academy, Rise from the Grave, another nice Liliana artwork here, and we have Summary Dismissal, which really exiles all the spells and counter all abilities. You pretty much get a fresh start, just like the text message says in the card, right? Well, until this point we pretty much had only one good bag, but that was amazing. I mean, come on. Okay. We have Extricator of Sin, Sunberbot Stag. I would really like to see Legendary Elf one day. They are cool. Liliana's Elite, Long Road Home, and Bloodhole Priest. It's pretty much cool vampire card. I mean, for free, basically, 4 for 4. It's gotta be good. Okay. So we have Fleshweed Lurker. Interesting card. Eldrazi Crab. Those shits are fun. Insatiable Gorgers. There's no tomorrow. And Splendid Reclamation. I think this is a cool card. I mean, Planeswalker art and doing good stuff. I like it. I wonder what you guys opened from these packs, or are you just still planning on getting stuff? Leave this in the comment section below. I'm interested. Mercurial Geists. Unsubstantiated, whatever the hell. Return target spell or creature to its owner's hand and the Jace outward. Of course, and these silly devils, I mean, it can be good, but nothing crazy. If your opponent has a 1/1 first striker, then it's pretty much over. So So fuck that shit. Now we kinda halfway. So this may take a while. Okay, we have Ripple the Abominable. Willow. I like this card. The artwork and the stuff it does, pretty cool. Ambraco's Influence. And we have Talia, Heretic Keter. Oh shit. Stay with me, Talia. First strike, creatures and non-basic lands your opponents control enter the battlefield tab. That's powerful right there. And we have a foil Desperate Sentry. Nothing bad, nothing crazy good. It's good. I mean, it's a foil. We don't have to be too greedy right here. Okay, well, my desk is starting again. Holy mother of God! We just fast forward into a legendary human werewolf. Eldritch. It's a double-faced card. It turns into a badass werewolf. So if you're playing with red and green, you should definitely play this. Incendiary Flow. Incendiary Flow. Case of the Archives. Spreading Flames. And we have a Selfless Spirit, which is good, but the werewolf is much better. Let me sleeve it very fast right here. I mean, it's good, it's legendary, it does pretty good stuff, so you gotta protect cards like these, right? Of course, right. Okay, so far we have Tamio and Ulrich. Let's hope we open something good. For example, I didn't open yet any Corrupted Angels or Double Face. Not really Double Face. This new merging cards, I didn't open a single one yet. I never thought they would be so rare. And I'm really curious about how they work. Abundant Mole. I really like how the adhesive found every shit in this plane. Wow, Fury Blade Vampire. This is card from back of the day from Darkest Canyon, right? I mean, this vampire is pretty familiar. Okay, we have Crop Sigil and Soul Separator. And we have a foil Shed of Sanity. This looks cool. Return up to one target instant or card and up to one target sorcery card from your graveyard to your hand, then discard a card. Okay. Nothing crazy, but hey. I already said not be too greedy. Whoa. Okay. Grizzlinger. Slayer's Cleaver. Marco Crusader. This card looks pretty good. It's too bad that it's 5 costly and it only has lightning. Give no ground. Now this card is pretty hilarious. Do I see it correctly that Gideon is actually protecting the freaking zombies? I mean, what's up with that? Okay, and we have a summary dismissal again. We already see this card. Viviana turns the tide. That's what she does. Okay. Bursting axe. Chance of sanity. Abundant mole. We have a Embraku's Evangel. Holy shit. That old dude looks sick. And another foil land. I'm liking this. I like foil lands. I'm a pretty big fan of every kind of land, basically. And I just like seeing that I get foil lands now and there. You have to appreciate these little things. You know what I'm saying? Okay. So we have Conduit of Storms. Right down. Ooh. Insatiable Gorgeous. Nephalia Academy. And what is the rare? Ah, come on. Another Crypt Breaker. I don't want zombies, man. I want vampires and planeswalkers. And not being greedy. Mr. Greedy. This is V for Vendetta stuff just popped into my mind. Okay, oh, it's a pretty good uncommon casting Prowler. You see, it can transform already if you have that vampire dude from Shadows over Innistrad, and 1 for a 4/4. That's quite good. Repel the Abominable. Murder. Now, this card has a pretty sweet artwork and text message. Okay, we have Weaver of Lightning and Assembled of Us. Holy crap, this pretty much reminds me of Nagarebo Shigen. The dudes just gathered and took down the evil bears. It was savage. I like it. One of my favorite chocolate stories. Although it is pretty bloody. I'm surprised no one gave a shit about it. Oh, finally a transform card. Hanver Garrison, not Mr. Garrison. Hanver Garrison. Holy shit, they did it halfway. Holy crap. If you see what I see, the card's background has like a huge card sliced in half. So you can actually play it like that. That's interesting. Slayer's Cleaver. Gnarwood Dryad. Looks pretty good. Gaze of the Lonely Vigil. Spirit of the Hound. That gives Father Tolerate. Nahiri's Wrath! Holy shit! We got a mythic foil. I mean, you don't see that every day. Holy crap. Foil mythic. Yeah, fool, I hate this bitch. The card The card looks sweet, I have to admit. Okay, I pretty much need to sleeve it. Who am I kidding? Now here is wrap. Foil. Holy shit. Never would have thought I opened something like this today. Or ever. Holy crap. This is awesome. Quite a good pack. I mean, pack. It's already a quite good box. You know? I mean, who the heck opens foil mythic rares and planeswalkers and stuff, you know, in the same format, in the same box? Holy crap. And, Kaladesh looks good, I have to admit. I'm pretty much excited for the new set as well, the upcoming stories. Okay, so we have Cryptic Poet Fragment, Drownyard, Behemoth, Eldrazi Crab. I hope you sense the fear. Peace of Mind. This old woman is totally like the Mad Hatter or something. Chilling Grasp. And we have Giza and Gerald. Freaking mythic rare again. These are the big two human wizards who create all these crazy zombies, if you didn't know by any chance, by the way. And they're pretty crazy themselves. And this card is, well, I'm not saying it's an instant winner, but I do believe you can build a deck around it, which can work. I see. When Giza and Gerard enters the battlefield, put the top 4 cards of your library into your graveyard. During each of your turns, you may cast a zombie creature card from your graveyard. That's gotta be good, right? Okay, so quite good, and holy crap, we still have a bunch of packs left. More Willow, Rise from the Grave, Spreading Flames, and Dark Salvation. I like everything that has Liliana on it. These really are cool. The artwork's pretty much what keeps me going about Magic the Gathering. So if you wonder if you should buy a display or not, then I would say buy one totally if you do it for fun. But if you somewhat want to get money from it, then it's probably a bad idea. I mean, of course, anybody can be lucky, but for what? For 20, 30 extra bucks, you can earn that much pretty much anywhere. So, Conduit of Storms. News Constrictor. That's like Lord Voldemort, totally, right? I mean, Harry, where are you? Never just Herald. Okay. Whispers of Emrakul. And we have Heron's Grace Champion. This is a pretty much okay, maybe even so cool card. Flash lifelink. When Heron's Grace Champion enters the battlefield, other humans you control get plus one again, lifelink at the end of turn. The green-white humans always being strong, and they're just getting stronger. I mean, they don't give two fuck about Emrakul, am I right? So, back on our last subject, if you want to buy a display, then pretty much do it because you spare this money for it and you don't need it back right away. Holy shit, how did this card damage? Just look here, just look at the side. What happened? Holy crap. If this would be one of the legendaries I opened, I would totally lost my mind. Okay, full emissary. Yeast of the Archives. Gates. Blessed Alliance. And the Mausoleum Wanderer. Interesting card, but I wouldn't say anything crazy. So we should buy this stuff for fun because there's really no guarantee you can earn money on this. And if it will be a popular set, then everybody else pretty much going to buy these, and the more is out there, the less the value they have. So yeah, keep that in mind. Blood Mist. Vampire Cutthroat. This looks pretty cool, I gotta admit. It has cock. This creature can be blocked by creatures with greater power. And lifelink. All monsters have tentacles. I like this. Advanced switching. And we have Wharf Infiltrator. And a foil Lone Rider. And a Liliana emblem, by the way. It's freaking sexy and cool. And Lone Rider. It's one of my favorite uncommons from the set. It just screams, "Play me, you idiot. It will be worth it." Okay. So, we are pretty much down. Another casting flower, and it's again damaged a little on the sides. I mean, come on. Fury with Vampire. Champagne of Vengeance. Drogskull Shieldmate. And the rare is Nose Breath Mob. I mean, what's up with those injuries? Get card injured, pretty much, on the sides. I mean, they're just fucked up. I mean, holy crap. What's this? Did you see that? I didn't even touch it, and it was already like half open. Wizard. Wizard. You're drunk, Wizard. Go home. Holy crap. Another freaking casting flower, and it's again freaking damaged in the sides. I mean, come on, fuck me, right? Ruthless Disposal. Mercury against, who cares? Fortune favored, and coax from behind eternities. This card is pretty much fun. I mean, you and your mate just playing Magic, and you think, hey, I want an Emrakul. Hey, I want a Kozilek, and you just whip out a card from your collection and play it. That sounds like fun. And we're down to our last 4, 7, pack 8 with this. Okay. Let's hope we can still open something good. I mean, this box is already pretty good. No complaints right here, but let's just hope for it. Grizzled Anger. Nose Consistor. Lord Voldemort is real. Unsubstantiated. What can I say? Graph Harvest. Bloodhawk Priest is our rare. And we have a foil Cropsigil. Oh my gosh. I always hope I just open a foil Planeswalker or something, but hey, I already opened the foil Mythic, so probably not gonna happen again in this box, am I right? If this is going to happen again, then it's pretty much a broken box. I mean, they just send me a Las Vegas level ship, something like that. So we have Score the Laboratory. Vampire Cutthroat, which is cool. I like vampires. Weaver Lightning. And Collective Effort. Now, artwork wise, this pretty much is one of my favorite cards. Just look at Gideon's freaking face. He's like How the fuck did I get here, right? It's pretty funny. I like it. Okay, so last 7 packs. Let's hope we can still get something crazy. Oh, it's a Bruno. Fading light. Thank you. I wanted a freaking Eldrazi Angel. Just how cool is that shit? Shreds of Sanity. Somberwad Stag. Waxing. Scatter. Stormcurrent Condemned. Vampire Horror. Discard a card. Vampires you control that lose on this one turn of turn. Active this ability only once each turn. Well, heck. The madness is real. Holy shit. Okay. 6 packs. And we still haven't opened Liliana. I'm just saying, not being Mr. Greedy, but shit. I want Liliana pretty bad. Score the Laboratory. Blast Alliance. Prying questions like, where is my Liliana, right? Identity Thief. Okay. I bet you got nothing on Jace. Okay, last packs. And where is my Liliana? Where is she? Okay, Fortune's Favor. Ruthless Disposal. Geist of Lonely Vigil. Eldritch Evolution. This card is actually quite strong. And an additional cost to cast Eldritch Evolution, sacrifice a creature. Search your library for a creature card with covered in mana cost X or less, where X is 2 plus the sacrifice creatures covered in mana cost. Put that card into the battlefield and shuffle your library. Exile Eldritch Evolution. This is pretty much crazy, I would say. Just imagine the stuff it can do. Scary. Okay. We got all this stuff. Greatest card ever. Not really. So, Smothering Werewolf. Long Road Home. Who gives a shit about the long road, brother? Liliana, where are you? Mockery of Nature. Murder. Okay, and we have Sanctifier of Souls. Alright card. So, one last pack to go after this one. And I still don't see my Liliana. No Rider. Flashly Lurker. Whispers of Emrakul. 100 Captain. The cat is bad. We have this interesting card. Looping Prototype. Nothing crazy. Okay, last pack here. Well, we already ate them. We're starting to eat them. You know what I mean? But we already opened pretty much quite good and quite a fine number of mythics. So if by any chance I open Liliana right here, it will be a freaking miracle. So Abandon Reason, Emrakul's Influence, Drone Your Battle, and Collective Brutality. Well, At least it's a good card. And I will have the dips on Liliana as well. So I didn't put the rares aside, so there won't be a quick recap, but here's the best cards I opened so far in the set. So we have Gisa and the Gerald, Ulrich of the Kralauer. It's a mouthful to say. The freaking foil Nahir's Breath, which is gotta be cool, right? And my favorite from all is Tamio, Field Researcher, which pretty much will be my queen from now for forever. So, thank you guys for watching. I hope you like what you see. If you would like me to do something similar in the future, please press that like button, even subscribe if you don't feel like it won't do any harm to you. Thank you for watching. Bye.